An adverb is a word that modifies or adds to the meaning of a verb, an adjective, or an adverb. Rama runs quickly in this sentence. The word quickly adds meaning to the verb run. This is a very sweet mango. Here the word very adds meaning to the adjective sweet. Govind reads quite clearly. Here, quite is the adverb that adds meaning to another adverb clearly. Division of verbs. Adverbs may be divided into the following classes according to their meaning: adverbs of time, adverbs of frequency, adverbs of place, adverbs of manner, adverbs of reason, adverbs of time. He came late to the school. My father came from Delhi yesterday. The adverbs here are late and yesterday. Adverbs of time will answer the question when. Adverbs of frequency. Shruti reads her lessons daily. My uncle came to India after many years. Here the adverbs are daily and many. Adverbs of frequency denotes the duration of time. Adverbs of place. The little lamb followed Mary everywhere. Taj Mahal is situated on the bank of river Yamuna. The adverbs here are everywhere and bank of the river. Adverbs of place will answer the question where. Adverbs of manner. The child slept soundly. The soldiers fought bravely. Soundly and bravely are the adverbs here. Adverbs of manner will answer the question how. Adverbs of reason. He did not go to school as he was ill. The teacher punished the student because he misbehaved in the class. As, because, due to, for, all these are adverbs of reason. They will answer the question why.